Hey y'all, so let me see. It is September. Let me see, it's gotta focus. Okay, well, it's September 24th. All right, 7:13. I'm on my way to do more dental work done. All right, so it's a dental update. All right, so I need to get this tooth replaced, right? So I'm gonna go in, they're gonna build the bone in my gum, and then I have to wait 7 to 8 months before they can put the implant in. So yeah, I got my, what is this, Tremadol, and then, oh, y'all already know my last name, so it don't matter. Azoclax. I think that Azoclax is for like infection, and then Tremadol is for pain. So it's gonna be interesting. But yeah, I've been up since 6. Appointment's at 8:30. I don't know how long the procedure is gonna be. I don't know how loopy I'm gonna be after. So I figured I would make a little video right now. But yeah. So teeth updates. Oh. I look crazy, you guys, like, and I can't even talk. My mouth is so swollen. I look like the Joker. They'll cover me. Oh no, it's fine. I'm just trying to scoop in the corner. This looks so funny.
Yeah, you're probably gonna swell a little bit, right?
Yeah. Can barely talk, right? I'm so swollen.
It's gonna feel big.
It does. But my face feels huge.
Right, Lord,
You guys, I can't even rub my lips together. I'm trying to put chapstick on. Look at this shit. Look at this.
She looked like that creepy ass character from Smile.
I do.
You don't even need a Halloween costume. You are
Just numb up my face.
the costume.
Look, so here's the chapstick, right? I can't even talk. So I put it on, right? And I can't even feel it. I can't feel anything. I can feel my top lip, but I can't even rub my lip together, guys. Like this is torture. Oh my god.
You wanted it. You wanted it.
Yeah, because I need to get my tooth fixed. So I'm gonna be wearing a mask for like the next year because I don't have a fake tooth to put right there anymore.
The next year?
Yeah, because it takes like 8 to 9 months for this to heal, and then they put the implant in.
Oh, Jesus.
So basically a year. So don't come for me, alright? Upcoming reactions, videos, I'm gonna have a face mask on or something. So don't come for me, okay?
She gonna be looking. Why the hell she got on the mask? You sitting right there by yourself. You're not even.
It's because I don't want to be a toothless bandit, okay?
Just go on sabbatical for a little bit.
No, I can't do that. I gotta keep the momentum going.
That's right. Keep it going. Keep it going.
We gotta keep the momentum going. Gotta get these subscribers, all the things. All right. I wanted to try to do a giveaway in December, so we'll see. Maybe 2 giveaways. We'll see. But yeah, I just want to give an update. I'm looking at Hot Mess Express, Metal Mouth, literally. All right.
You giving stuff away. I want something. She's giving away.
I feel like I don't get him stuff already. But yeah, I can't even rub my lips together. I can't. Hold on, wait. Relax my face. No.
Your jaw's gonna be sore from laughing. They ain't gonna even be sore from the damn surgery. They're gonna be sore from laughing so damn hard.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get off the camera for now. Get some face masks and ibuprofen.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the doctor's orders.
Yeah, smile.
I can't.
Which, by the way, I can't wait to see that second movie. I think it's gonna be good.
I can't rub my lips together. Hey y'all, so it is about 11:25. It's 11:25. See, I'm drooling. So my face is still numb, but it's starting to wear off and my face hurts. Like, it hurts. So I'm laying down. I'm starting to feel the pain and it's starting to irritate me and I'm hungry and I can't eat for like another hour and a half. 2 hours. But, yeah. I feel so weird. But I'll update y'all in a minute. Bye. Hey, y'all. So, it is 1:14. Let's see if the... Okay, well, it's 1:14. I'm still swollen. I'm not in as much pain because I took a Tramadol and then an ibuprofen like an hour later. So as you can see, I am still really swollen. Like, really swollen. It is a trip. But yeah, I just wanted to do an update. I'm literally going to be wearing a face mask for like the next year because I am not going to be comfortable in public like this with my tooth not there. Okay, I'm just not comfortable. But I'm hoping by tomorrow the swelling will go away. The doctor did say that I could be getting bruised, and I bruise really easily, so we'll see. And then the dentist, like, he was inputting the bone under my gum right there. Basically like knocking it into the gum. Like, it was crazy to feel. It hurt a little bit, but not like crazy. Don't come for me, y'all. Dre posted me on his Instagram looking crazy. But yeah, I'm in a much better mood. I'm not in as much pain, thank God. But I'm just gonna try to relax the rest of the day. I hate talking like this. It feels weird. I'm gonna replace my ice because I replaced my ice for a second time, so I'm gonna replace it for the third time because it's all melty. See, all melty, so I gotta replace the ice. And they were saying I could ice my face like every 4 hours or so, but I'm just gonna leave it there. I may actually, I just remembered I have a eye mask that's in the freezer. I could put it right here. That way I don't have to keep holding the ice. Hold up, y'all. Let me go see if I have it. I look crazy, guys. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. But yeah, I found it, but the eye mask isn't fully frozen, and then I tried to put it against my face, and it hurt so bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna build up my ice again. I'm just gonna wrap it in my shirt and place it on my face, and then just watch some more Hulu, because I'm bedridden for the rest of the day. You guys, I feel so weird without having my implant in. Don't come for me, okay? This is a dental update. It looks crazy. I'm just so happy that I finally got this done. It's gonna make me feel better. I do have to get a couple cavities like filled in, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna wait a couple months before I pay my credit card off some more. Thank God for my credit card, because if I didn't have my credit card, I wouldn't be able to get my teeth fixed, okay? So I'm gonna do my best, be responsible, pick up some more shifts at my day job, try to get more views on the YouTube, okay? Like, your girl is trying. And then I'm really thinking about doing DoorDash or Amazon Flex or something, just to bring in some more money, just add to savings, you know, pay off some debts, be smart, okay? And I'm sorry I'm like covering my mouth, but I feel weird with my missing tooth, okay? I feel weird, I feel ugly, I don't like it. So yeah, for the next few videos, probably for like the next year, I'm gonna be wearing a mask, and my videos are covering my mouth in some kind of way. If I have to hold my lip like this the whole time, I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, I am happy. The hard part, as far as I feel, is over. It's just take it easy. Check up in 2 weeks. So we're gonna go back for a 2-week checkup, and then I'll update you guys about the 2-week checkup. They numbed me up. Like, they have to numb me up really good, because when it comes to like the numbing stuff, it wears off really easily with me. I don't know what it is, but it wears off really easily. Your girl is starving. Okay, I am so hungry. All right, I haven't eaten since last night. Because you can't. I had to get this procedure done on an empty stomach, so I was just like sipping water all morning. The bottom of my tongue hurts, so that must have been where they gave one of the numbing shots or something. But yeah, it was overall a decent experience. The dentist did great. You know, the office ladies are so nice. Everyone's really sweet, very professional, soft-spoken, like very, very wonderful. I'll link the dentist that I use below. I'll link my dentist that I use below, and then I'll link the cosmetic dentist, because that's what my tooth replacement is. It's cosmetic. That's why insurance isn't covering it, and I'm not sure if that's like all dental insurance is, you know what I mean? But yeah, sound off in the comments. Let me know if dental insurance is, or what dental insurance you have, and if it covers like cosmetic procedures or tooth replacements, or like what, you know what I mean? Like, I know most dental insurances cover like the basics, like cleanings, you know, cavities, stuff like that. But when it comes to like cosmetic work, where it's like dentures or veneers or tooth replacement like that, I don't know if insurance covers, you know what I mean? Like for health insurance, I know some health insurances cover fertility treatments, but you know, that's the expensive health insurance, you know what I mean? So let me know, sound off in the comments about y'all's dental insurance. You know, I'm just curious, because it's really sad. I'm 36, okay, and this part of my life is the most responsible, most healthy, and just all around great part of my life. Like it's sad and it's crazy, but it's also a lot of firsts for me. Like prior to this relationship, I didn't really have dental insurance. I had health insurance, but it was like Medicare, Medi-Cal, or whatever, like the cheap free shit that doesn't really cover anything unless you're pregnant. And then even when you're pregnant, they want to throw you through hoops. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'll be right back. I am gonna lay down some more, ice my face. I still can't believe like my gums look like so huge. Like right here, it is so tight. So tight. Like look at this when I shut my mouth. It's like that meme. But yeah, I appreciate you guys so much for tuning into the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know if it is when I post. I just feel so ugly without my tooth. Like, I never realized how much my self-confidence would be, like, deterred or, like, thrown off by my teeth. Like, ugh, I don't know what it is. Like, I don't want to be a toothless bandit. I don't want to be a snaggletooth, idiot-looking, gross person. You know what I mean? Like, I want to look pretty and picture perfect, you know? Like, ugh. If I could just like glue this lip to my teeth until it heals. Like I just but yeah, just doing an update. I'm sorry guys, I can't talk like this. It bothers me. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll be back in about an hour or so. I'm gonna lay down some more. Hopefully get the swelling down some. But be back, y'all. Hey y'all, so it's later in the day, obviously. Sorry, I gotta cover my mouth. Like, I'm not used to this. It's 11:26, and look what I did. You see where it's red right there? My gum is open. Like, it's so swollen from the work that they did. My gum's cut right there, but I'm not tripping. I got my ice pack. I'm gonna wrap it in my old work shirt. And then just lay on it with my face. I just took some ibuprofen, so hopefully that helps with inflammation. Well, it is going to help with inflammation. But yeah, I hate, see, look how swollen I am. I'm not swollen so much on this side. It's more, look, you can literally see, you could see it. Like, my face on this side is more poked out than this side. Crazy. But yeah, so that's where we're at. But yeah, y'all. My poor gum. But it's okay. Swelling will go down because I'm about to ice. Oh my god, look.
Master P watched me part of his contract with Death Row, but Suge was still in bad terms. Before Suge gets out of prison in 2001, he threatens to cause
especially being the eldest daughter. I'm sure that a lot of old, you know, immigrant daughters understand how rough it is